HVAC engineers are seriously in demand because they get to pick between building new plants or taking care of existing ones, and that means steady work almost everywhere you look. So, if you're thinking about jumping into HVAC stuff, here's the deal. First off, consider going for a full MEP course. That means heating, ventilation, air conditioning, plus firefighting, electrical, and plumbing, because knowing a bit of everything makes you way more valuable. When you're on site, keep in mind construction can be pretty tough physically, so if you're not into that grind, maintenance gigs might suit you better since you're mainly managing and fixing things instead of heavy labor. Also, always try to get experience across different types of buildings like hospitals, malls, airports, or even trains and cruise ships, because that variety boosts your resume and pay. Networking is huge too. Connect with contractors and other engineers to hear about cool projects and new openings. Don't sleep on certifications and staying updated with the latest HVAC tech. Companies love engineers who know the newest energy-efficient systems and smart controls. And remember, switching companies strategically after gaining solid experience can seriously bump up your salary. Lastly, patience is key. The top salaries often come after several years grinding and proving yourself. One of the biggest mistakes HVAC engineers make is focusing only on HVAC and ignoring other MEP areas, which limits job options. Fix that by broadening your skills with courses in firefighting and plumbing. Another common issue is underestimating the importance of maintenance knowledge. Lots jump straight to site engineering but then struggle with the physical demands. If that sounds like you, aim for maintenance roles instead. The third problem is not keeping up with new technologies or certifications, which can stall your growth. Make it a habit to learn about energy-efficient systems and smart HVAC controls so you stay competitive. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a great platform to connect with people looking for HVAC or other home project help, making it easier to build your client list and get steady work.